Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you something regarding the technologies that we are going to use in building this website. Basically, this website is built in Next.js. Now, the main thing is that you guys have seen the videos in my YouTube channel that I always used to write code in React. Okay, and since 2 years I have been developing MERN stack. And one thing I understand from there that in one stack you have to write big things, many things, just like client side, server side. I know that it will go up from your mind. So what is basically client side? So see, if if you see like just suppose Amazon e-commerce website, if you see here this page, this front page that a user can see, this is the client side. Okay, basically the picture or the application that we are using, it is the client side. And what's the server side? Just like if I'm just searching, suppose laptop. Okay, so this laptop will go in server side and fetch the data, take the data, and show to us. So the work that we don't see from our eyes, that's the server side. And you can see these things. So the backend part, basically the thing or the work that we don't see by our eyes, but it happened in a website that is really the server. Okay, so come to the point. So in Mustang, you have to write the client side, then server side, then APIs, then calls. Then means it takes a lot of time. But a few weeks ago, I found something new that is Next.js. It is also a library of JavaScript just like the React. But the main difference is that while using the Next.js, you don't have to write the client side and server side. You just have to declare your page as page name. That is the main thing that you have to declare everything as page. Okay. And the second important thing is that you don't have means if you don't use any side, then it will act as a server side. Okay. And if you want to use as a client side, then you have to use client. Okay. So these are the code. I understand that you guys will not understand my things, but one thing I want to say that before understanding anything, you just have to see or read the documentation. Means what? Just like I'm talking about Next.js. So just go to Google, write here Next.js documentation. Okay. And read here about the what is Next.js. Okay. Features, all these things. Okay. And you may think that why should I read these things? It's boring. But I also think the same way. Okay. When I was in my first year of my college. But after reading all the things, I understand one thing that the main thing that you will learn about the technology is just by reading the documentation. You can't learn from any YouTube video, you can't learn from a teacher, you can't learn from a person. Basically, you will learn from yourself. That's what I have done in my life. When I was in my first year, I have made a mistake that I just go to YouTube and just searching the things and just doing and doing and doing. But I don't even learn a single thing from YouTube. Okay. Then I understand myself that no, this will not going to do for me. So then what I have done, I start reading the book. That's also a long process. There also I didn't understand anything. Then a senior of my college told me that you should learn the documentation. After that, I start reading the documentation. From there, means from 1 or 2 days, I understand something. Okay, then I continue it and I understand much more better than my first year. Okay, so let's see this project I have built. And the main thing that I want to say that before doing anything, just ask yourself that why you are doing this and what will happen by doing this. If you got the answer, then you can do this. Okay. So for this project, why I have done this? So the main thing is that I have made this project for learning. Second is that in colleges, in fact in my college also, I have seen that many students want to share their codes, their works with their friends, but they can't share it. Okay. Means you may think that why can't we share in WhatsApp? So in WhatsApp, you can't share the codes because the codes are so long and WhatsApp have not that feature that you will send big string characters. Okay. So for that I have built this. Okay. Maybe the UI design is not so good because I am not a designer. Okay. And let's see this. So, yeah. So here is the home page. Just you have to create a new. Okay. Suppose the title you are giving that code to add to numbers. Okay. And write here any code. Okay. So I am writing here C++ code. You can write any code as you like. Okay. Okay. And when you are clicking here new, then what? It will save. Okay. And if your friend want to see this, he can just click on view and he will see it. And suppose your friend wants to edit it. So there is also edit option. Okay. So it will open a editor. This is not it. This editor is not created by me. Okay. This is basically the editor inbuilt features of Next.js, which I like it a lot. Okay. So just you will or your friend will save it and your friend also can delete it. But if you delete, you will not get this code. Okay. And the main thing that you might have in your mind that where is the privacy? Means anyone can see my code. So yeah, you are right. There is no privacy in this website. But I will add that privacy adding is a easy job. That is not much. The main thing behind showing my this project is that you should see the new technologies. Don't stuck over one technology. I was in first year at that time. I was just like doing something. Sometimes I am doing HTML, sometimes I'm doing CSS, sometimes JavaScript. Then I understand that these things are small. I can't do anything with these small things, but these are the basic things you have to do. After that, I have run React, MongoDB, Node, and before 1 week, I get to know about the Next.js. Actually, Next.js is not a new technology. It has been using, but I get to know. Okay, so I start working on that, and I really impressed after seeing its coding because Next.js is a next level. It's include both the server part, client part, and you don't have to any means APIs calling and all those database. Just a simple database you have to use that is MySQL. That is also very easy. So a beginner can understand the things which I want to say. That if you want to means understand the website development, then you should start with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then jump to Next.js. Don't go with MongoDB, Node, and React and whatever. Okay. And the main thing that the project that I built will be live soon, but not now, as because there is some bug which I have to fix. After that, I will deploy it, and I hope you all guys will support me and use my website. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us.